I wanted to come in and give you a little update on my thin edges. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Thank you, subscribers. Thank you so much for all of your support. I wanted to come in and give you a little update on my thin edges. And from now on, I guess I'll be trying to tell you what I'm doing to grow them in, make sure they don't get thinner, just improve the look of my edges. Now, if you're interested in this, keep watching. And if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, come on and join the GG family, because we're going to be interacting with each other. So click on that notification bell, click on that subscribe button, and then you'll be a part of the family and know whenever I upload a video. And let me tell you about what I have been doing. So in a previous video, I showed you the Hollywood Hair Bar Growth Edge Control. And you saw how I was putting it on my edges. And I'm going to put a clip probably over to the right or the left showing you how I was applying it. And I want you to know that I did something wrong. Because what I did was I smoothed that edge control over my edges as if I had these strong edges. And I realized the next day, and it was the very next day, that I did it wrong. Because I didn't just smooth my edges, I did this kind of motion. So there was a lock that I lost at some point. And then I put that lock back in. Well, I want you to know that what I did was, as I was smoothing the edges, and because it was pretty much, what do I want to call it? It could have been moisturizing, maybe that's it, or it was lubricating. That's what it was. It was lubricating that lock. Because it was lubricating that lock, and I have it in my hand right now, that lock has grown some. But that lock also came out. So be careful if with putting the lubrication on your lock. I think it goes back to oiling the lock. I can say that this lock was reattached. I lubricated it and it slipped out. So I can say that I had slippage. And I wanted to come and give you a warning on that. That's what I did as a result. Now my thinness is right in here. And I have hair right here. So what I am going to do from now on is just right here, there are no locks. But right here is my very thin edges. There's hair there, but it's really thin. So I am going to go ahead and I will only smooth back this area where there is no lock. That's what I'm going to do from now on. And I wanted to come and give you that warning on using the edge control, especially if you have had some locks that were reattached in the area that you're trying to have grow back. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends, my family, my subscribers, and my followers. But I especially love God. Because I love God, I love you. And I want to share things with you that will assist you in every aspect of your life. You see, God says to love your neighbor as yourself. My family happens to be my neighbor. I love you, and I don't want you to have to experience what I experience in order to learn from it. But you can learn from the experiences that I share with you. Have a great day. Have a great day.